Samsung appears to be preparing to launch a more budget-friendly version of its foldable phone lineup, reportedly called the Galaxy Z Flip FE or the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. This device is expected to feature the Exynos 2400 chipset instead of the Exynos 2500, which was previously rumored. The decision to use an older processor has raised questions about performance, especially when compared to the more advanced Exynos 2500. The Exynos 2400E is essentially a toned-down version of the Exynos 2400, which powers the Galaxy S24. The main difference between the two lies in the clock speed of the Cortex-X4 core, with the 2400E running at a slightly lower speed. Additionally, reports indicate that Samsung will use integrated package-on-package IPOP technology for this chipset, which could make the phone slightly thicker and lead to increased heat during use. While the difference between the Exynos 2400E and the Exynos 2400 may not seem drastic, the bigger concern is how it compares to the Exynos 2500. The Exynos 2500 is expected to come with major improvements, including next-generation CPU cores, a more powerful GPU, and advancements in neural processing and image signal processing. It is also rumored to be built on a 3nm fabrication process, which makes it more power efficient than the 4nm process used in the Exynos 2400 and 2400E. This means that not only would the Exynos 2500 provided better performance, but it could have also improved battery efficiency. The decision to go with the Exynos 2400E instead may impact how well the device performs, which would be disappointing for users who are expecting a more powerful chipset in the Fan Edition model. Samsung has historically relied on Qualcomm processors for its foldable phones, making the shift to Exynos a notable change. However, choosing an even older chipset rather than the latest available option suggests cost-cutting measures that could affect the user experience. Fans were hoping for a balance between affordability and performance in this Fan Edition model, but with this chipset downgrade, some concerns arise about performance limitations and potential overheating issues. Despite this, the introduction of a more affordable foldable phone is still an exciting move. It opens up the market to more users who previously found these devices too expensive. If the Galaxy Z Flip FE is positioned as a mid-range foldable, it will need to offer strong competition against other premium foldables that provide better hardware, even at a slightly higher price. Samsung's software optimizations and overall brand trust might help reduce some of these concerns, but the performance of the chipset will still be a key factor in how well this phone is received. More information about the Galaxy Z Flip FE is likely to surface as the launch date approaches. Samsung's decision to rely more on its in-house chipsets could be part of a broader strategy to reduce dependence on external suppliers. However, how well the Exynos 2400 performs in real-world usage will determine whether this approach works. If Samsung manages to optimize software and battery life effectively, this phone could still be an appealing choice for users looking for an affordable foldable experience. What do you think about Samsung's decision to use the Exynos 2400E in this model? Does it change your interest in the device? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.